Hey guys, it's another dreary Sunday, but we got work to do, so we're getting ready to do a little bit of work on my 86 E24 Sharknose. I wanted to get the car back up and running to the point where at least all the maintenance stuff has been addressed. So today I'm actually going to just do a tune-up. I've already pulled their air box and airflow meter. As you can see, where the green rag is, that's where their airflow meter it connects in, and from that point downstream the air box is. So here it is over here. There's the factory air box, there's the airflow meter. And I may end up doing a cold air intake at some point. I don't like the fact that the factory air box rests on the valve cover here. So my eventual goal is to more than likely polish the valve cover like I typically do, or even powder coat it. So if I go through that level of trouble, I will more than likely just remove the air box and then put in a cold air intake, and then make sure that it's pointed to where the cold air comes in through the right side headlights. So anyway, just something that I'll probably do when I have a bit of free time, but I'll certainly put all the original stuff back in after I tune it up today. So today's project will be plugs and wires, some filters, clean up and detail a little bit under the hood here. I've been driving the car a couple times per week. This is like week number 2 I've owned it, and it's been driving well, no issues there. I'm taking my time driving it simply because it's still running these original metric TRX tires, and they are really badly cracked. So really I've just been driving it around town. It hasn't been up on the highway yet, because last thing I want is a tire failure on me. But I got 17-inch BBS RC090s that I'm gonna polish and put on the car, and that'll look nice when it's on the car. I'm also gonna lower it as well with the BMW Auto Bilstein kit with their lowering springs, their red lowering springs. Right here I have my tune-up stuff that I bought. Here's the new Bosch distributor cap, new wires from Ireland Engineering, some filters, new plugs, Bosch rotor, new, I think this is a fuel filter, yep. So anyway, this is all going to go in the car today, and so it'll be a nice improvement in how the car drives, and it should really help with how smooth it is and things like that. I got the power seats fixed yesterday evening, so that was good. That's one thing checked off the list, and yeah, so it's been a good car to own so far. I'm enjoying it. It's a nice, easy car to drive, very forgiving, and looking forward to sharing some more updates in the next few weeks. I guess before I let you guys go, I'll show you the lowering kit that I got from BAV Auto, a Bavarian Auto, I should say. Here are the Bilsteins that's going to go in the car, and you can see the BBS RC090s just below that I'm going to polish. Here are the lowering springs with all the top hats and stuff. So there you can see a little sneak peek of the lowering springs. So looking forward to putting those on the car. So that'll be kind of a fun project. And those lowering springs will lower the car about 1.5 inches. And it should really improve how the car rides and drives, and just the overall look of the car. Plus those 17-inch wheels with a bit more tire in the back. I'm going to go staggered setup with a little bit wider tire in the back. Will really help the way the car drives and performs. So stay tuned, and looking forward to sharing some more videos coming up, and hope you enjoy it. Take care. Bye.